This is to assist us with clearing any debts that we may have. And this is also a shifting to do with our emotional state about the debts, so that we may go from anxiety or feeling pressured more to a state of feeling at peace and joyous that we are doing this, that we are stepping into more abundance. Na arakastika anankaraka, londo orokostika acha, na anunkoroko, lunkortiarta. Lonkortiarta stikarakansiarta, nankartiarta, onkostika achan. Onkorokostika anankaraka, li ik ochu. Li ikorokostika anandartisti. Onortietastika reka la arakastika anunkorokum. No nortostikorokon siarta. No nortiortostika reka. Ankaraka. Ankaraka.